All right, Rich D here with GoFastFlorida. We made it down to Daytona International Speedway, baby. The sights and sounds of the race cars are fan-freaking-tastic. And we were definitely looking forward to having a great day. So we've got actually a pretty slick lineup presented thanks to you, Festival of Speed of, I guess, South Florida, because I think it's a different organization. However, they put on fantastic events. You know, they've got us in a cordon off area with all kinds of cool cars. I mean, the lineup here is pretty amazing. We got the Corvettes down at the end, the little McLaren 12C, Corvette, a little Shelby action right there. Hopefully this is coming up on camera, but what I want to really talk about is McLaren Senna. There's actually two looking just amazing. Yeah, the lineup is just sick. But then you can see we've got the race cars going around for the 24-hour classic. Yeah, nothing but race car, baby. It's freaking fantastic. And you see they're heading up into the line, going for the turn to hit the wall. Yeah, race car life, baby. You know what it is. You know how we do it. But look at this guy. Yeah, this is incredible. Look at how the shifter comes in on the right-hand side and all the clusters are faced in towards the driver. It's just pretty amazing. That is like one of the smallest steering wheels I've ever seen. But this thing is a monster. I don't know if maybe that comes in better, but yeah, so you got the shifter right in there and all the gauges are actually tucked in away. So if you're not familiar with race cars, there's actually a starting sequence just to get them to fire up. It's not like a regular car where you can just turn the thing on, but it's pretty amazing. Fire system. Yeah. This thing is sick. Really quick. Well, we got a little bit of a break in the noise. We got two, of these McLaren Sennas. And they are, both of these liveries are just amazing. So while I got a little break, what I'm going to tell you about this McLaren Senna, it's so much engineering involved, and McLaren just nailed it. This is the track beast. So you've got all these louvers on the inside of the arrow. All these louvers move up and down to get you better downforce, better performance on the racetrack. So you don't really have to use the brakes as much as people think. It's very aggressive, very stylish, and the amount of carbon fiber and lightweight aerodynamic that they've used. And this thing is just a monster. You've got the roof scoop at the end, the back for cooling in the engine because the engine's in the rear. The lightweight carbon fiber roof, the hood. You've got all the glass inside, and I love how the touch. So you can actually see in the mirrors here, this is the only mirror or window that goes up and down because race car. And then you can actually see right down into the driver. Aero's active, so you can see it's all mechanized and it's fully functional. So it goes up and down for aero, for braking, for performance. For weight savings, they actually did not do any of the door panels or the window mechanisms. All that is in the center console. So you've got all of your electronics in one spot for weight savings. And look at all that carbon fiber. But yeah, the Senna's a beast. So they're actually two different styles. You've got the American spec that only has a dual exhaust. The Euro spec that's got the tri-tip exhaust. That's due to their emissions regulations, which we don't really have a whole lot of that. So, you know, global warming is fake anyway, right? But yeah, it sounds amazing. You can see all the louvers for the aero straight down to the wheel wells. And this thing, and then the gold shielding. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. That gold shielding is amazing. It's all active aero. Wing goes up and down. The telemetry pack that they have on these things is just amazing. This is a different spec. You can see all the carbon fiber bits. So the actual car is completely carbon fiber. You have an option to get it painted or leave it exposed. But this one, the black with the yellow, and you can see those Senna seats in there. The yellow seat belt was a good add. Oh, he looks like he's got the McLaren Cup option. Very, 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 very cool. I love the green lines on the paddles. That's right, it's a racetrack. Sorry, gotta deal with it. Good to go. That's really cool. Thanks.
It's the wind's blowing that door, I know.
Yeah,
that already happened once.
This thing is badass. Just saying.
We're trying to get them so it allows to race one of our cars. We have another car we'd like to race in IMSA GT3 and GT4 classes, but they want us to pay a $1 million marketing fee for every car that we, you know, every model car, every class that we amalgamate to.
Gotcha.
You know, that's fine for big manufacturers, but for us, you know, shit, $1 million.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. I mean, that's so if we want to race GT3 and GT4.
Right. Alright, so Rich D here coming back at you from the sights and sounds of Daytona. We're here by the driver stations. Yeah, you can see straight through into the garages. This place is pretty sick. I mean, you can get right up in there. Dude, this is freaking amazing. yeah, you can see straight in. Race car, race car, race car. It's pretty awesome. We got that over there. We got a driver's meet and greet over there. It's pretty amazing to see, and they actually have all the garages around. My first time at Daytona, I'm having a blast. Stay tuned. All right, well, I've got a little break in between the cars. I'm sitting here with a little bit of a racing legend here. Roger Penske has his old school Corvette. That this thing is just amazing. This thing. Just incredible. And this thing is just a beast. Amazing. Of course, you got the side exit, exhaust. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty impressive. It's pretty awesome when the Corvette shows up the Ferrari.